everybody, welcome to the Kenosha Public Library in 6 minutes story times. I'm Miss Shawn. We always start story time with the welcome song. Welcome, welcome everyone. Now you're here, let's have some fun. First we'll clap our hands just so. Then we'll bend and touch our toes. Welcome, welcome everyone. Now you're here, let's have some fun. All right, we are going to have some fun with stories and songs about birds today. So I'm going to start with these two little bluebirds. Two little bluebirds sitting in a cloud. One name quiet, the other name loud. Fly away quiet, fly away loud. Come back quiet, come back loud. Two little bluebirds sitting in a cloud. Two little red birds sitting in some snow. One named Fast, the other named Slow. Fly away fast, fly away slow. Come back fast, come back slow. Two little red birds sitting in the snow. Two little green birds sitting on a pig. One named Small, the other named Big. Fly away small, fly away big. Come back small, come back big. Two little green birds sitting on a pig. Two little yellow birds sitting on a cup. One named Down, the other named Up. Fly away down, fly away up. Come back down, come back up. Two little yellow birds sitting on a cup. I have another story about some colorful birds. And have you ever heard the birds outside and noticed that they all make different sounds? So sometimes when we make a bird sound, we might say tweet, tweet, tweet. But we are going to practice some different bird sounds. So for our first bird, the green bird, he will say tweet, tweet, tweet. Little green bird in the tree, in the tree, in the tree. Little green bird in the tree, sing me a song. Tweet, 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 tweet. The purple bird is going to say chirp, chirp. Little purple bird in the tree, in the tree, in the tree. Little purple bird in the tree, sing me a song. Sing it. Chirp, 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 chirp. And the red bird is going to say, coo, coo, coo. Little red bird in the tree, in the tree, in the tree. Little red bird in the tree, sing me a song. Sing it. Coo, coo, coo. And the blue bird is going to say, little bluebird in the tree, in the tree, in the tree. Little bluebird in the tree, sing me a song. Sing it. Beep, 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 beep. Sounds like a baby bird, huh? Ooh, the yellow bird is going to sound like a crow. The crow says, caw, caw. Little yellow bird in the tree, in the tree, in the tree. Little yellow bird in the tree, sing me a song. Caw, caw, caw. And one more. What if the orange bird was an owl? What kind of sound would they make? Ooh, ooh, yeah. Little orange bird in the tree, in the tree, in the tree. Little orange bird in the tree, sing me a song. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Good job. All right, I have one quick song about a silly bird that lives in Australia, and it's called the Kookaburra, and it laughs. Are you ready to laugh? All right. Kookaburra sits in the old gum tree. Merry, merry king of the bush is he. Laugh, Kookaburra, laugh. Kookaburra, gay your life must be. Kookaburra sits in the old gum tree, eating all the gumdrops he can see. Stop, Kookaburra, stop. Kookaburra, save some there for me. And I hope you'll look up a video of a kookaburra because it is really funny to hear it laugh. But our time is up for today, so show me your hands. Let's do the thank you rhyme. Our hands say thank you with a clap, clap, clap. Our feet say thank you with a stamp, stamp, stamp. Clap, clap, clap. Stamp, stamp, stamp. We roll our hands and wave goodbye. Bye-bye, everybody.